NMAX stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm looking at Newsmax, this is 30% correction. Generally speaking, I mean, I've done 39,000 videos, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors every single day for the last 5 years, been making videos like this, more than anyone else in the space. I mean, show me another person that's taking like maybe 10 days off in 5 years. I will wait. Although still, this doesn't have that much data that we can work with, but still solid demand where if I see the shift and there's like a proper double break, I am going to look to take things up. And if it does not, I'm just not going to buy. So looking at NMAX, this is how all this is going to look like. Guess what? It's a no man's land. So therefore, if it does start breaking beneath 40, this is going to be diluted because it's not going to be just bullish forever. You know, giving it like one last chance. We're going to see even like the pre-market when we open up on Monday. But if you want to stay tuned regarding NMAX and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.